Welcome to the Flex Studio. In this video, we will show you how to use overkill command. So overkill command is always used to delete the overlapping lines, and the overlapping lines will be deleted and only one dominating line will be remain there. So what you can do, you can make different lines. To see it, I have made different lines with different layers. So here I am making overlapping lines in different layers so that you can see very well. After that, what I'm going to do, I'm going to give command overkill. I'm going to select the object. Here in the object comparison setting, you can ignore all these types to have one dominating line and hit OK. By this way, you will be having only one dominating line. And if you are giving overkill command, and like if you untick this ignore line weight, it means the line which is having more line weight will be dominating others. So by this way, you can use the overkill command, and that's the total game of overkill command. So friends, thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.